Welcome. If you want to keep your personal photos and videos private and prevent WhatsApp from accessing them on your phone, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll show you exactly how to stop WhatsApp from accessing your photos and videos, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control all the apps and permissions on your device. Take a moment to find the settings icon and tap on it. Next, scroll down until you see either apps or app management. The name might vary depending on your phone, but it's usually easy to spot. Tap on it to see a list of all your installed apps. Now, look for WhatsApp in the list. You can scroll or use the search bar at the top. Once you find WhatsApp, tap on it to open its settings. Inside the WhatsApp app settings, find and tap on Permissions. This section shows you everything WhatsApp can access on your device. Here's the key step. Tap on Photos and Videos. Depending on your phone, it might also be labeled as Files and Media or Storage. You'll see a few options for what WhatsApp can access. To block WhatsApp from accessing your photos and videos, select Don't Allow. This will immediately prevent WhatsApp from reaching your personal media files. You can always come back and change this setting if you need to share something in the future. That's it. You've just taken control of your privacy by stopping WhatsApp from accessing your photos and videos. This simple change helps protect your media and keeps your private moments safe. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking your other app permissions too. Staying in control of your data is always a smart move. Thanks for watching, and keep your digital life secure.